It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Right, boys, pray for me. The car gods, hopefully she turns on. Alright guys, we're out here. My beautiful wife, I convinced her to ride in my car. She was smelling the E85 gas. And what do you know? The car breaks down again, guys. Fucking, you know, I'm about to switch fuel pumps. I'm tired of this Walbro 450. Always breaking. So yeah, we got my tow truck driver on the way. And we'll get here right now. I mean, the car is raised up. Hopefully it fits on there now. Alright guys, blew the fuel pump again, the third time. Don't buy the Walbro 450. The fuel pump broke again.
How far do we need to go?
Down the street.
We're almost there.
We're almost there. We're almost there.
Starting to sweat.
You know what happened? Why your car did that? Because my car dripped oil onto the... Alright guys, thanks for tuning back in. Hope you guys liked the video. On the end of the video, we got the tow truck driver breaking down his car, turning off every time we went to a light. So we almost got towed and then him towed on a tow truck. But we ended up making it home, and we're gonna document the next time we fix the fuel pump again for the 4th time. So yeah, you guys keep watching, keep subscribing. You know, every one of you guys, when I see a new one of you guys and the number keeps going higher and higher, I'm like, oh shit, all right, I'm gonna make another video. We're a little bit more than halfway to 1K. So yeah, let's get to 1K and, you know, let's start getting paid.